Good morning, guys. Good afternoon. Good evening. Depends on where you're watching me from. Guys, I just want to take this opportunity to appreciate each and everyone who've been so supportive concerning my channel, who've been watching my videos, and who've been liking my videos. In case you haven't liked any video of mine, if you are watching, please, if you just watch my videos, please just give it a like, and you are going to help me a lot. So, as you all know, that on this channel, we do talk about business, creating new ideas in the business, also transforming the business. Today, I'm just having something which is so important to our businesses and to us ourselves. Why? Because on weekend, what really happened is so good. Just that I went to visit a friend, and we really enjoyed a lot. But I learned something on the weekend also. And what I learned was that do you know that on weekends, this is where we spend a lot of money? Do you know that we do spend more money than any other day on weekends? And some businesses, they do make money on weekends. That's why I respect weekends a lot. Each and every time when it's weekend, I don't move around. I always want to be at the business. Why? Because on weekends, these are the days where I do make money and where the shop do make money. So if you one of those guys who've got a business and on weekends you close your shop, that's why in that video I told you, like, oh, just find somebody who's going to help you, like helping you in terms of selling and some other stuffs. You know, you cannot run a shop alone. If you know that on weekends you are out of the shop, it's better you find someone who is going to help you to run that business, so that on weekends you do also make money. Because on weekends everyone is at home, they are at home, and this is a day where a lot of people do buy grocery things. So whenever you are there, whenever uh, you're not there, just know that if you're not there, you're not going to make any money. But if you're there, you're going to make money. And make sure that all the goods that are supposed to be there, they are there. Why? Because some people, they'll be frustrated. They will be. It's so frustrating. You're just at home and then you visit someone, and that someone whom you've visited, you find that they don't have what you have. So you're going to be frustrated, like, oh, I trusted this person. Now, what is really happening? Hmm? So this is the issue. This is the issue. If you really want to make money on weekends. And do not move around like no man's business. When it's weekend, just be within your premises of the grocery store. Because if you are going to be within the premises, you are going to see that a lot of money are being made on weekends. And you your prayer sometimes is always that you should you should be having weekends each and every day, but it doesn't happen. because all this week people they are working, they are looking for money, that money which they are going to use on weekends. So this is the thing. So most of the people they are likely, they're likely to make moolah, to make money on weekends.